Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on Suno AI. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, we'll search for Suno. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.